Did you know a solitary tiger can travel thousands of miles to cross borders where scientists thought it impossible? Today, we reveal the shocking reality of the Amur tiger's journey from Russia into China. For decades, scientists assumed tigers were sedentary, confined to their birth territories. However, recent telemetry data from the Sundarbans and central India shows complex movement patterns that challenge these long-held beliefs about feline settlement. Researchers used principal coordinate analysis, a sophisticated multivariate technique, to plot genetic variations across sampled populations. This allowed them to identify major patterns in the data that simple maps could never reveal. The breakthrough came from tracking 4 specific tigers in the Sundarbans using GPS collars. By analyzing over 4,000 precise locations alongside prey distribution datasets, we discovered how these apex predators navigate vast landscapes. Perhaps most astonishing is the confirmed migration of Amur tigers from Russia into China. Our results comprehensively demonstrated that this dispersal was not just possible, but an active and occurring phenomenon despite political borders. These observed patterns of population genetic variation are crucial. They form the scientific basis for interpreting the tiger's evolutionary history and provide essential recommendations for cross-border conservation management strategies. From genetic analysis to satellite tracking, the evidence is overwhelming. Tigers are highly mobile wanderers. Their migration patterns are complex, data-driven behaviors that defy the static view of nature we once held. Nature often surprises us with connections we never imagined. The tiger's ability to cross borders highlights the delicate interdependence of ecosystems. What other animal behaviors surprise you? Let me know in the comments.